Hey everyone, so right now we are currently in IXL X4 where we are reflecting a point over an axis. So like we saw in our notes, it's simply about being the same distance away in order for it to be a reflection. So graph the image of the point C, order pair 2, -1, after reflection over the y-axis. So they've actually plotted it for me right there. So went to the right 2 spots, and we went down to the -1, and there's your C. They want it reflected over the y-axis. Remember, your y-axis goes straight up and down. So how far are we away? Well, we are 1, 2 away. So I'm going to keep going in that line and go 1, 2 away. And there's my reflection. So if we notice, it's the same distance away from that green line. If you notice, they're actually giving you a hint that's there. So I'll submit. Apparently I got it correct there, even though I didn't see the nice job message. We'll kind of keep it so we can see it. So again, they've given me the point, and we're reflecting over the y-axis. So that y-axis goes straight up and down. So how far away am I from the y-axis? Well, if we're down here at L, we are only 1 point away. So I just need to go 1 point on the other side. And there we are. That's it. Awesome. All right. The point -3, 6. So again, there it is. They went to the left to -3. They went up to 6. So all we're doing is counting how far we are away from the x-axis this time. You can see the x-axis. They've gone ahead and made it purple. So we're just going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And then so then we're going to go straight down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. And so because of that, oh, 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 they're making me type in the ordered pair. Oh my goodness. All right. So because I had to count down 6, so we went to the left to -3, and then I had to go down to 6. So there's my -6. Whoops, got to get them over the other one. And there we go. So again, I can count as I go through it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got to drop down 6, and there we go. So you might not need to actually count all of them. It's completely up to you. Let's see, we're going over the y-axis this time. So that y-axis goes straight up and down. So I am 1, 2, 3. Ooh, we're back to the old question. And so 1, 2, 3. And there we are. Submit. We'll do one more here with you. -2, -4. Okay. And we want it reflected over the x-axis, that x-axis going from left to right. So we are 1, 2, 3, 4. So we also need to go 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to get to that point, I had to go to the left to -2, but then I had to go up to a +4. Submit. There we go, people. All right. We are asking you to get to a score of 70, and then you can move on to the next item. Take care.